In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Claude AI in just a few minutes. Whether you're a new user looking to personalize your experience or simply want a different name for the AI to use, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, to access your account settings, you'll need to open the main navigation sidebar. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the Claude interface and click on the sidebar icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. This action will reveal a panel with various options, such as creating a new project, viewing your artifacts, and customizing your experience. This sidebar is your central hub for managing all of your activities and preferences within Claude, so it's a great area to get familiar with. Next, with the sidebar now open and visible, direct your attention to the very bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled with your account name and plan type. Click on this button to open the main account menu. A small pop-up menu will appear, presenting you with a list of options related to your account. These options include your settings, language preferences, a link to get help, information about upgrading your plan, and the option to log out of your account. From the account menu that has just appeared, the next step is to navigate to the main settings area, locate and click on the settings option, which is typically the first item on the list and is accompanied by a gear icon. This will launch a comprehensive settings modal window right in the center of your screen. By default, you will land on the General tab within the Settings panel. This is exactly where we need to be, as it contains all the primary profile information you can edit, including your avatar, full name, and, most importantly for this tutorial, the name Claude will use to address you. Now that you're in the general settings, look for the Profile section. You'll see a few fields here. The one we are interested in is labeled What Should Claude Call You? This field directly controls the display name the AI uses in your conversations. Click inside this text box. Once your cursor is active in the field, you can delete the current name. In this example, the default name is Account. After clearing the field, go ahead and type in your new preferred name. For this demonstration, we'll change it to User. Choosing a name you like can make your interactions with the AI feel more personalized and comfortable. Once you're done typing, you'll notice a small saved notification appear in the top right corner, confirming that your changes have been automatically updated. There's no need to look for a separate save button. Finally, with your new display name saved, you can close the settings window. Simply move your cursor to the top right corner of the modal and click the X icon to exit and return to the main chat interface. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your display name in Claude AI. Your new name will now be used by Claude in all future interactions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.